Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber, so that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy that I make content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. That will help me get seen on the YouTube platform, so I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, today I finally received my Boxycharm, I think it's called the Mega Drop Shop order. I placed only one order this time around, but it was some items that I had my eyes on for a while. It actually started with 2 items, and then I added something because with the Mega Drop Shop, there's a $25 minimum for free shipping. What I also found out on this last order is they started to charge a $1.99 shipping and handling fee. So they're trying to help keep the prices down, still give us free shipping, but they had to put in this $1.99 there to try to, at least make it beneficial that they can send it to us at that. I was a little surprised by that because usually they notify us about everything, and that I did not get a notification for. But when I saw my total, it just didn't add up. But that's what it was. There was an additional $1.99 shipping and handling fee to the free ship order. Okay, all right. So let me show you what I do have notes so that we know what the prices that I paid, what the suggested retails were, and a little bit more information about the items that are in here. On my channel, I try to give a little bit more information. I call them informative videos, because for me as well, I want to know when I buy this, it might be something that's always been on my wants list, but I really want to know a little bit more about it and a little bit more about the company. So I do that for myself, but it seems to be something that you're enjoying as well. So starting with the total of my order was $28.98. Then there was the handling fee of $1.99 plus the taxes. So this all cost me $33, and it was around $150 retail. So the handling fee is a non-refundable, covers increased packing and order preparation costs. That's what it said under the question mark. So the first item that I picked up, and it's funny, I waited because this on its own, they had it, and then they had it as a duo. And I try to share with you those daily deals also. I do have one currently that's for what's going to be happening, I think, in the month of December. But what I wanted to do was wait for the daily deal. Ironically, when my boxes came in, I wait to find out if the items are going to be in my box. And then this one did not make it into one of my boxes. I get 2 boxes of each on my channel that I pay for. And what I ended up happening was this was one that was on my wants list, but it didn't show up in my box. So I knew it was an add-ons. When I went to the add-ons, which is now called the Mega Drop Shop, this wasn't available anymore, but it was available in a duo, and it was around the same price. So it ended up being a win-win. So the first item that was in the duo was this, and this is the Locket Makeup Setting Mist by kvdbeauty. I really, really enjoy this brand a lot. And if you're not familiar, this used to be Kat Von D, then they changed the name to KVD. Doesn't matter. The bottom line is the company that actually made the products is called Kendro, and those are the ones that make the products for whoever brand it's going under. And they do some really other high-end brands as well. So really happy that I finally got my hands on this, and it came with a second item, and it is this item here. Came in full retail box. It's called the Inkwell, and this is a long-wearing matte eyeliner, and it is in the shade called Lolita, which is one of their famous shades that they have in their lip products. So really excited to now have that as well. So what it says here in reference to this, they're saying this is the Inkwell Longwear Matte Eyeliner. It says, meet KVD Vegans Beauty's most bulletproof matte eyeliner yet. Inkwell liners are super innovative formula that sets the bar even higher with extreme long wear and waterproof, transfer resistant, smudge resistance performance, all in a spectrum of high pigmented shades for one swipe matte, no layering needed. So excited to get that. And then the other thing that they wrote about this is they're saying the Inkwell's Longwear Eyeliner formula features a weightless flex technology that will lock in quick drawing color that moves with your skin. They're saying for a finish that doesn't fade or crack. This is a super matte eyeliner that includes all the ergonomically designed felt tip that tapers to a crisp, precise point for limitless creative possibilities. It's inspired by the antique quill and ink system used by the calligraphy lettering. Everything about this company is always this and above. I find their designs of their packaging, the quality of their products have been really something that I've really enjoyed. So the next item here is the setting mist. And this says, meet the finest setting spray on earth. The setting mist delivers a luxurious continuous spray that locks down your look for extreme long wear with an earthly friendly spray system. This refreshing weightless micro mist will leave your makeup looking vibrant and fresh without feeling sticky. They're saying this is okay, fine, and that's it. So shake well before use, we know all that. For a hydrating boost, you can also, gives you extra staying power. It says apply the Locket makeup setting mist before your hydrating primer, and then you can follow with, you know, their foundations, and then they're saying to end it off with this as well. So you can use it as a primer as well as the setting mist. The next item is one that you hear about me talking on my channel all the time, and it is from ULTA. And this is one of my favorite products from this brand, besides their highlighters and everything else. I'm really impressed with this brand. But this product in particular is one that I use every single day. So when I was able to get a backup of it, I did. And then when I saw it again, because I haven't seen it for a while, I grabbed it. This was $6, and I used to pay full retail for this, which was around $30, $35. This is the pressed banana powder. This is the one that I just received, so you can see that it is brand new. But I'm gonna pull out the one that I use literally on a daily basis, and you can see that I've hit pan on this already. It is one that I really enjoy, and I wanna make sure that you guys know about it as well, because not all banana powders are equal. This one really goes on beautifully. It gives this gorgeous matte, yet there's such a difference when I miss putting this on. I'll look at myself in the mirror and I'll go, something's not right. And I remember then, because this is my last step that I do. So what this is marked here, it says this is the innovative matte powder. It's a light banana scented. I never noticed a scent on this. Give me a sec. Yeah, I don't notice that much of a scent. It says extremely versatile. It says used to conceal dark under eye circles, set your concealer and your foundation. You can highlight or even use as a matte eyeshadow. A lot of times if I forget to put the primer on, I'll put this under my eye and then I can put this over my eye. This is just such a fantastic product. I can't tell you highly enough. And for $6, it's like, give it a shot and then you'll see what I'm talking about. They're saying sweep across your entire face using a face brush to set your makeup. That's not what I do. I use it solely to brighten under my eyes. It can be used to brighten, spot conceal, or highlight. So that's this item here that I wanted to make sure to tell you guys about. And for me, it is an absolute win-win. Then the last one was something that I'm always on the fence about, and I see it that every girl that opens it up in their boxes screams through the rooftop how much they love this product. I got it once and it wasn't my favorite, but I figured this would be great for gift giving as well, and the deal on this was just too much to pass up. And what I'm talking about is the spongelles. This was $9.99 for 4 of them. They're saying this was a $64 value, and only because I had to meet that criteria of the $25, I said now's the time to bite it and grab it. So I'm going to share with you the ones that I got. So I got one in Autumn Bloom, Winter Rose, Sugar Plum, and Cinnamon Honey. So they all sounded beautiful, and that's why I said, you know what, if the scents even aren't for me, I will do it. If you're not familiar with spongelle, it's a hard, I would assume it would be softer, but it's not. It's a very firm sponge, but the scent in this is, if the scents are the ones that you enjoy, they're so beautiful. And it's the soap and everything is within here. You wet it, you scrunch it together, and you use it as a sponge. I find this to be a little bit too firm for me, so I end up using it like on my feet or my legs and things like that. But I have one in my tub, and the more it sits in my tub, the more I smell the scent of the one that I have, and I'm really enjoying it. So like I said, I thought this was a great idea. I know a lot of girls like to have it where there's usually on these they're not. They drill a hole through here and they put it on a string so they can hang it to dry. everyone that I've received did not have it, but I saw a few girls get it where the string was even through the packaging, and they used the string from the packaging where they put a hole in to put it through. I just leave this on my soap dish area, and it seems to dry out just perfectly. So this says it includes the autumn bloom, winter rose, sugar plum, and cinnamon honey. They're saying these buffers will built-in body wash, will infuse with extracts for yuzu, edelweiss, vetiver root, or cleanse. It exfoliates, massage, and hydrates the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. Each sponge contains and creates a scent lather that endures for at least 14 plus washes in your shower after shower. They're saying the benefits of this are, it says it's a built-in body wash and a buffer. It is a multi-function, multi-use, 14 plus uses. It's an all-in-one beauty treatment. The extracts we already discussed. It is a time-released lather. It says it's also bacteria-resistant cleansing. It's dermatology tested. It's vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, and it says it has proprietary infusion technology. It also says it has a chic hanging ribbon design, which I didn't see in this at all, and it says it's portably designed for travel. They're saying how to use. It says nestle into an unforgettable, refreshing cleansing experience with our perfectly wrapped box collection. It unleashes Spongelle's creamy fragrance by placing your body wash infused buffer under running water to reveal an airy cloud-like hybrid of exfoliating massage and a silky aromatic cleansing. It has a patent technology that ensures a minimum of 14 plus washes. Rinse and squeeze out excess water after each use, and the sponge can be repurposed after you complete the use, which means you can use this just as a sponge where you can put your own lotions and everything on it afterwards, and then just use this as a sponge. But like I said, the scents all seem to be very refreshing, very nice, nothing overpowering, and they all sound like they're really, really nice. So the first one, like I said, was autumn bloom. The next one that I received is in winter rose. Then I received one in sugar plum, and then the last one here is in cinnamon and honey. And this is the one that I was really excited to get, and it smells just scrumptious. And they're all very distinct scents, and they're all not flowery at all, because that's the type of thing that I don't like. And the mixture is just really, really nice. This one smells a little bit more perfumey, but I didn't smell rose in it at all, which was a little bit of my concern. So like I said, to me, I think these are great, beautiful gifts. They're huge. And like I said, to get 4 of these for $10 to give it a try again, I thought was a no-brainer. And that's everything that I received in my mega drop shop order. And I just wanted to share everything with you. And that's everything. So if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, please share it in the comments down below, because that's what we do with each other here at True Wants. We share with each other. And that's it for today. So take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.